How to fix games crashing on PC on Windows 11. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix games that are crashing on your Windows 11 PC. If your games keep shutting down unexpectedly, don't worry, I've got some simple steps to help you resolve the issue. So let's get started. First things first, let's start by restarting your computer. It's a simple but effective way to resolve any issues including crashes. Click on the start menu and hit the power icon and select restart. This can help reset any processes that might be interfering with the game. Sometimes third-party software like game overlays can interfere with the game and cause it to crash. If you're using Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA graphic cards, try disabling their overlays. Simply turn it off. Next up, make sure your Windows 11 is fully updated, as our updates often include important bug fixes. To check, open Settings, then click on Windows Update and click Check for updates. If any updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Outdated graphic drivers are a common cause of game crashes. To fix this, open the device manager by right-clicking the start menu and expand display adapters in the device manager. After that, simply click on Update Driver and Windows will search for any updates and install them automatically. As final step, if none of these solutions work, you can try simply uninstalling the game and install it again. And that's it. These are some of the ways to fix the game crashing in your laptop or PC.